Today I'm going to show you how to do the SKP stitch. It's a slip knit pass stitch. It's sometimes also referred to as an SKPO, which is a slip knit pass over stitch. So we're going to slip the first stitch knitwise, knit the following stitch. Then you're going to take your needle, pick up that slipped stitch and drop it over the just knitted stitch. So you can see it's a one stitch left leaning decrease. Let me show you once more. We're going to slip the first stitch knitwise, knit the following stitch, pick up the slipped stitch, pull it over and drop it off the needle. And that is how you do an SKP stitch.